I have always been drawn to beautiful styles and interesting, vibrant places. That's one of the reasons I love LA. I've always found the city and its people really inspire me and my photography. I'm Viviana Galletta, fashion photographer, and with the LUMIX GX9, the streets are my studio. It's not just about the look, it's about getting to know who the people are. Features like the exposure dial are easy to use, helping me walk faster when chasing quick portraits of people I pass. This 4K photo function opens up new creative possibilities too. I can combine multiple shots to make some really interesting new compositions. I've teamed up with LA fashion designer Maria Stanley to showcase her latest collection. We're working closely together to make sure the outfits, accessories, location and model work well together for the best impact. When it comes to the shots, the GX9 is so impressive, and its 20 megapixel sensor really brings the designs to life, capturing all the beautiful detail. The creative features make it so easy to achieve different looks and filters. I can see them all in camera, so I know the effect I'll get before I take it. The tilted viewfinder lets me shoot from more original angles. It helps me find a unique perspective. The dual limit stabilizer lets me shoot on the move and be responsive to moments of inspiration. Using the 4K photo function, I can also capture a whole sequence and choose my favorite frame as a still. I love to see people's reaction to my images. And when it comes to my photography, I know I can rely on the LUMIX GX9 to truly deliver on my creative vision.